Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add data analysis in Excel, Windows 10 or Mac. So let's see first for the Windows 10. To go to the data tab, and here you can see is not showing the analyze group. Okay, for that just click on the file tab, click on the more, then click on the options, and here the Excel options dialog box is open. Then click on the add-ins option. In add-ins, in manage, just click on the go. And here the add-ins dialog box open. Just click on the first option, analyze tool, and click on OK. And that's it. Here you see the analyze group is added and you can use the data analyze. Okay. And for Mac, I just click on this second sheet, and here you can see for Mac it's showing the step-by-step guide. If you are using the Excel for Mac, in the File menu, go to the Tools, then Excel Add-ins. In the Add-ins box, check the Analyze toolbar. Checkbox, then click on OK. So, hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe.